In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine Clickbank and ChatGPT in order to earn money online. I know, guys, that a lot of people are looking to make money online with affiliate marketing, but they're also struggling on how they can get traffic, people who are interested on the product that you're going to promote. Don't worry, I'm going to be revealing everything in this video. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can use ChatGPT and Clickbank in order to earn money. Also, if you are brand new and you're getting started, I'm going to show you a traffic source in which there are a lot of people who are looking on what you have to offer. They're desperate because they're looking for a solution. So now let me show you everything. Let me go and do a couple of clicks and I'm going to be sharing my screen. Okay. So if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing means, what is that clickbank? Maybe you just know about ChatGPT, but you don't know about clickbank. Maybe you know about clickbank, but you don't know about ChatGPT. Maybe you know about them both, but you don't know where to get traffic. Okay. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing basically is going to be a business model in which you're going to be a middleman. You're going to be suggesting a product or service that you do not create. You are not going to be dealing with customer service, but you're going to be earning money. So here we have someone who created a product. We have a customer or a lead, someone who is looking for a product or service to solve a problem. And they're like, hey, I need help. I'm open for suggestions. Okay. So you're going to provide them value, right? And you're going to tell them, like, hey, this is this offer. This is this product that is going to help you with XYZ. Use this link, and that person is going to be interested. Well, it is already interested. They're going to be making this sale, they're going to be making the purchase. So you're going to be earning money. Okay. The commissions, they're different. They can go literal between 10% to even 100%. Okay. So this is what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. Right now, you went to a restaurant, you have an amazing time. It's the best restaurant in place. You just suggest it to your friends, your family members, your coworkers, everybody you know. They all of them went to a restaurant, but you did not get credit for that. Hey, it's time for you to get credited. Okay. So number one, we are going to be using Clickbank. Go ahead and go to clickbank.com and create your account. If for some reason you cannot use Clickbank, there are other alternatives. You can Google Clickbank alternative and you're going to find others. Okay. The most important thing here is the strategy. Okay. So you're going to see that there are a lot of niches. Okay. So the most profitable niches online right now is health, wealth, and relationships. I'm going to go with the health niche. And I want to know what people are actually selling, okay, and how much people are earning on average. So in order to do that, I'm going to go here to set source result. And as you can see, I'm not going to go by rank. I'm going to go here where it says gravity, to high to low. So that means that there are people, a lot of people who are promoting it and they're making sales. Okay. Also, we want to make sure that the product is in English. Okay. So we have these products. So now, what else do we need? Well, we need to know or have an idea of how much are we going to be earning. We're going to have an idea of what we're going to be promoting. Okay. How this product is going to be helping. The average sale, okay, well, actually, the commission on average is you're going to be earning over $100. Okay. Go here where it says affiliate page so you can have more information about the product, how they're selling it, who is the target audience, and all that stuff. So you're going to have a more like a good idea of everything. And we're also going to click here because we want to see the page. Okay. When the customer check on this, what they are actually, um, you know, what this product is going to be helping them. So this is for healthy weight loss. Okay. This is a physical product. Do have several bottles. People are getting also free ebooks. One bottle is $59. Six bottle is, it's an average $39 per bottle. Three bottles is $49 per bottle. Okay. So I know by fact right now, this is a physical product. It's in the health niche. Okay. And it's helping people lose weight. Okay. Now I have the product. Okay. Everything is good on that. I need also to find people or, here in the graph, where are they? Where are they? Diana, you told me that we have some people here, right? Who are, you know, looking for information. They're literally asking for help. Where are they? So there is this website that is called Quora. Okay. You're going to go to Quora.com and you're going to create your account. Just in case that you guys don't know what Quora is literally a place in which people are going to be asking for questions. Okay. They have been online since 2009, and you can see the amount of traffic that they're getting. And this is in million. Okay. This is a million, 800 million people. And here, this is actually really important. The page per view. Let me explain you what it is. That means that people are visiting the page, okay, and they are visiting another page inside the website. Okay, so it's not that they're just going on Google or whatever, they get the link, they visit here and then they move back. No, they are actually, okay, they are actually visiting one page and two pages. They're staying on average almost 3 minutes here. Okay, the rankings is on the top 50 in the United States, which is actually really good. Most people in the US are used to make a purchase online. Okay. So now we are on Quora.com. You're ready to create your account. So you're going to go and you're going to find for people who are looking for two ways to lose weight. So here, I'm going to click here. Okay. Remember, here we have key terms. Okay. Here we have key terms. That's the reason why we need to check the page. Cool. So I have people who are asking for questions. This is actually a great topic and all this stuff. So for example, here we have, what are some exercises that can be done at home to lose weight fast? Okay. What are the best weight loss drugs, medicines, and supplements? Hey, this is actually a supplement. Okay. But also I can use this one. Is there any super effective weight loss plan? Of course. So I can leave my comment here. Okay. And I can answer it. Maybe you are like, Diana, but I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert on this as well. So I'm going to be literally typing here in ChatGPT. I want to know a super effective weight losing plan. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, okay, exactly like super effective weight losing plan. Okay. So it's actually writing all the information for me. Okay. I'm going to click here so we can see this bigger. So it's actually writing all this information here for me. And here I'm going to have the opportunity to write it as well. Okay. So here, what I'm going to do, literally copy and paste. But if you want to use the same answer over and over and over, I'm going to give you a tip. Okay. Here I have this tool, which is called Quillbot on quillbot.com. That's QUILL bot.com. This bot is going to rewrite the text. Okay. So I'm going to have new text. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make this smaller so I can use the free version. Boom. So I have new text. Okay, it's rewriting the text so I can literally copy and paste the answer all over Quora, and I'm gonna have multiple answers. Okay, so you're gonna be pasting the answer here. So I can write something like click here to learn more or click here to have the best weight loss supplement. I need to go first of all to my Clickbank account, and I'm going to click here where it says promote because I'm going to need to have my link. This is the hub link that I'm going to be creating. This is the link that I'm going to be copying. Okay, you're going to type here your username, and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to choose here because I want to make sure that I'm going to be using the link, and I'm going to be adding it. I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to be posting it. So this is how you can actually share valuable content. Okay, you can actually share valuable content with people about certain topics, and you're going to be helping them, and you're going to be earning money online by referring people to products or services that are going to be helping them, and you're going to be again giving them valuable tips. So guys, if you want to learn more about this, okay, I'm going to be leaving a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Please make sure you're going to check it because it's going to be a free training. Okay, so this is it for this video. I hope you find this content valuable. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.